Sabalo.
Princess! Princess, help me!
Sabalo, what is it?
Princess, help me! Help me! I want to die!
Come inside. Come inside. Just come inside. Come inside. Everything will be fine. Come inside.
Princess.
Eh?
Princess, do you have any food at home?
Food?
Yes.
Yes, there's food in the kitchen.
Please give me food. Let me eat first so I can get strength.
Oh, okay. I'm coming.
Please give me food. Please, let me eat. Let me eat. Let me eat. No, no, please. Who cook? Cook. Cook. I like cook.
Sabalo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sabalo, are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Sabalo, I hope all is well. Let me open the coke for you.
Thank you. A friend in need is a friend indeed. You are a friend.
Sabalo, what is it?
You know, last week, Benkash bought new lasers, 350. Thank you. This morning, I said, Benkash, please borrow me your new lasers. Let me go and use it to carry my girlfriend. As I was going to carry my girlfriend, bam! Some boys hijacked me, collected the new lasers from me. As I'm talking to you now, Benkash lasers is gone.
Sabalo. So, but you're telling me you've not heard of car tracking Nigeria?
Car tracking Nigeria?
So you mean in this modern age, you're still driving your car without GPS tracking devices installed?
I don't know.
Sabalo, go and contact cartrackingnigeria.com now. Because with car tracking Nigeria in Sabalo, you can start and stop your engine with SMS. Yes. You can also track your car online with their mobile app.
Oh! Oh! Car tracking Nigeria?
Yeah.
Car tracking Nigeria?
Sabalo, as I'm talking to you, you should be contacting cartrackingnigeria.com now.
Oh, thank you, Princess.
And I'm going to give you a number that you can use to contact them.
Yeah, no problem. Let me quickly eat this food first.
Look at this one, oh. Take, Jare, give me this food. Take, contact them. It's for your own good. Why are you smiling?
I was just joking the lie. Let me shop. I want to make good food. I'm hungry. Please help me with food. I'm hungry.
Sabalo.
Yeah?
Sabalo.
Yeah?
Vomit my food. Now, vomit everything.
I will track you with cartrackingnigeria.com. Oh.
Vomit my food.
My guy, never go to think